Ignition isn't just a conduit for 61850. It brings power monitoring into the modern world of Industry 4.0 and digital transformation. It's a full power monitoring solution, providing unlimited licensing, a universal platform, customizable development, rapid deployment, ways to streamline your data pipeline, industry-leading support, and communication protocol drivers, like the ones that we're talking about here today. With Ignition's unlimited licensing, it lets you focus on the big picture instead of worrying about the exact number of tags and clients you need. Ignition server base allows you to add as many tags, clients, devices, and database connections and projects as you need at no extra charge. And what that means is that you can expand at your own speed. You're laying that foundation for going further. Ignition is a universal platform that lets you control equipment and operations from one place. You can run Ignition on any operating system, you can use it on any device or interface, and you can leverage it across any IT standard. Ignition is more than just a power monitoring solution. It encompasses HMI, SCADA, IIoT, Historian, and more. With it, you really get to customize your development. You could build scalable solutions with flexible architectures, using the free low-code designer to build projects for your unique functions. Ignition gives you the ability to customize your architectures, screen layout, style, functionality, security, alarms, and more. All this includes customizing how your backend and how your front-end servers are set up, all the way to granular things like changing the color of an alarm state. Ignition lets you build the exact system you want. And of course, there's rapid deployment that lets you spin up new clients wherever you need to. It only takes 3 minutes to download Ignition, and combined with unlimited licensing, Ignition lets you have clients when and where you need them. You can configure, manage, and launch clients instantly from anywhere on any device that has a web browser, and you can send out updates just as quickly. And one of the most important things, along with being able to connect to the 61850 devices and leveraging that standard, is that we can then streamline the data pipeline and really elevate that data collection. Using Ignition, you can create a single source of truth to seamlessly collect and spread data across the entire enterprise in real time. So we can connect to these devices, we can build those data models that are already part of that standard, and we can connect to those devices securely, and then we can get that data along with other process data from other types of devices you have in the organization, and we can make all of that available at higher levels. And one of the ways that's done is through MQTT. And MQTT can really elevate and can really democratize that data and allow you then to take that data modeling to digital twins and other services that may be out there. And MQTT's publish subscribe data transfer protocol is designed for constrained devices and low bandwidth, high latency networks. So perfect for distributed systems where you need to have edge, where you can pull that information, get that data locally, and have it being transported up. So when you look at the standard of 61850, it allows for all these disparate equipments and different manufacturers to be able to talk the same standard and be on the same network. But then we can take that to another level with the rest of the process data that may be out there, and we could really streamline that pipeline. So this goes a little bit outside of the platform, but Ignition has industry-leading support. Tiered support systems let you choose the care that's right for you, and we provide free support for integrators, and you can learn directly from the people behind the software with in-person classes. We also have a free online inductive university that has hundreds of videos on how to do things in Ignition. You can learn all of that at your own pace. So to bring it back to the 61850 driver, Ignition has even more communication protocols now, and that is a big focus of Ignition as we go forward, especially into this year. Building more connectors, more drivers, as well as building more connectors to IT systems. The more connections, the more communication that's there, the more interoperability, the easier it is for you to build full-on systems. And by having this built into Ignition, it minimizes the number of products you have to have out there. You can keep it very simple. You can streamline that, and with Ignition and Ignition Edge, you really can build a robust architecture to get access to this data and deliver to the people that need it.